Chris. Today I will be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse because my hair has not been acting right since I flat ironed it, and I have heat damage and it's a total mess. My hair is just crazy doing its own thing. So I am hoping that the apple cider vinegar rinse could help. Yo, look at this mess. My hair has never looked this bad before. I don't even know what to call it. It's like this is not even my hair. So I am using a half and half mixture, which is 4 ounces of apple cider vinegar and 4 ounces of water. So I've basically wet my hair before applying the apple cider vinegar rinse, which I am using in place of a clarifying shampoo. I just thought that it would be best to just use the apple cider vinegar with the mother because it's more closer to nature and I need all the help that I can get. And I'm hoping that this can add some type of hydration to my hair because as you could see from the first clip, my hair is crazy. Like, it needs a whole lot of help. I was going to do the maximum hydration method, but I did not have the clay that I needed, and I was not waiting for it because my hair needed the help now. I may end up doing that later for you all, but as of right now, I had to hop on this ACV rinse because my hair was crying for help. The apple cider vinegar smell is strong, but once you rinse it out, the smell goes away. So don't worry about that because it is totally worth it in the end. This is my first apple cider vinegar rinse, and I was just so shook and amazed by the definition that it was giving my hair. Y'all, this stuff is totally legit. Right here, I'm going to be including photos of my hair straight because a lot of you have asked to see my hair straight, but I didn't get a complete video, so I'm just inserting a few pictures for you to see. Okay, so I'm liking the way my hair is feeling and I'm loving the way it's beginning to look. I'm starting to see some hydration coming back to my hair and it's starting to look pretty good. Okay, so I just want to give you all a close-up look. As you can see, my hair looks very hydrated and moisturized. It is so soft, y'all. It's so soft. I left the apple cider vinegar rinse in my hair for 10 minutes before rinsing it out. So I have the apple cider vinegar all rinsed out of my hair, and look at the hydration, you all. Look at this. It is so soft, and just look at it. It's just so pretty. And that's with nothing in it, no product or anything. It's only the apple cider vinegar rinse. So if your hair is in need of a pick-me-up, I highly 100% recommend the apple cider vinegar rinse because it has my hair. My hair is, I just love it. It works so well in my hair. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video. If you find this video useful, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. While you're down there, subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you on my next upload. See ya!